Ah, it was a good game of footy yesterday, eh? What do you reckon? How do you reckon I went?
You went terrible.
Come on, mate.
When you go for the goal, you meant to go near the goal, not out on the full.
You know I'm a backman. You know that.
You got put in centre.
Yeah, I was rucking all day.
Got kicked from...
I go right that way.
It looked like you were just crawling on the floor.
What about that bloke I tackled? he didn't even have the ball. Okay. Well, let's get the engine in. See what the time is. And we'll just keep plugging away, eh?
Yep.
All right, let's get into it. You grab the crane. I'll grab the engine. You going to run boundary next week?
Yeah, my boss.
How was see Robbie running around? He just trips over everything, doesn't he? Oh boy.
What about their goal umpire?
The goal umpire? He didn't know if it was a goal or not, did he?
No. But someone punched it out. And he was like,
Oh, I don't know. It's like we weren't playing for sheep stations, eh?
yeah.
Imagine what would have happened then. Oh, a little tinny bit. Right, you're going to throw the sling on that side. Do you remember how to wrap it?
Yep.
So,
I know.
all right.
I know.
Remember?
Oh, shit.
We better get it right because we want it to be even, don't we? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. That should be good enough there. So what have you done? Put it in a choke. Do you remember how much that drops it? It drops its rating capacity of lifting. It's got a little tag on here. So you pull that blue tag out. It hasn't been cut off because these are old slings. So see in here. So what we've done there, you've just wrapped it into a choke, which has brought the rating down to that sling, which makes it into, oh, I can't see right there. You see that one there? What's that say?
800.
800 kilos. How much do you reckon this engine weighs? And we've got two slings. We've got two slings.
So that's 1,600.
Yeah, so this engine's no way near that much. What weighs what have you done here? What weighs 1.6 tonne?
What have you done?
No, you got it around the way.
1.6 tonne.
So you've done that right, you just went around the wrong loop. Okay. Okay. Ah, what a bummer, hey? What did we go down? 5 goals?
Yeah.
5 or 6. Jack that up. Hold these in place. We go.
The bloody people on the scoreboard didn't know how to count. Like the goal umpire.
That should be enough, mate. Bring that in. Bring it in slowly. Still clear? Can you? Yep. Yep, keep coming in. I reckon we'll go a bit more in.
We can't.
Why is that?
Oh, we just hit the bumper.
Oh, yeah, okay. So we're going to have to go down there slowly.
Okay.
Do you want me to do it or are you going to do it?
I can do it. All right, big boy.
Slowly then. Slow.
Holy.
Sugar. Can't say the other one, can I?
No, otherwise you'll get that YouTube big boss thing.
Yeah, okay. Right. So what is the quarter here? Not quarter there, but I just want to go slow here. Can you keep going down slow? That's enough. Have a look on your side.
Oh yeah, we're all good. Wait, hang on. Back here needs to come a bit. I'm stuck on all the harness wires.
Okay, stop. Stop the engine crane. stops coming down. It's going down slowly. Okay.
Alright.
Maybe shuffle the engine crane back a little bit. And we'll just have to slide it in. Yeah, that's all right. Go down slowly there. Remember, we have to line up the gearbox first. Get slowly. All right. Okay, stop. Come have a look. How are we looking there?
It's
Power steering pump.
right here.
Pain in the butt, man.
Alright. All the wiring's all good back here.
Yep. Okay. There we go. Got that there.
So
Hold it there. Top of it. Must be an engine mount there, eh?
yeah, this side.
Yeah, that's sitting on top of it. So we actually need to reposition the slings, I think, because obviously we pulled it out. It just pulled out. We'll put the jack under the transmission with a block of wood, and that'll sit at level, and then we'll readjust, eh? Okay, grab the jack and we'll sort that out. I think you might be right, mate. Might be easier without that engine mount. It'll just be make it a bit easier to get it in, eh?
Yeah.
I didn't think we'd have a drama though. I'll take a couple of bolts. We'll rip them off and go from there, eh?
Yep.
Hopefully they can fit the nugget in there. Right, dude, go get the 15mm ratchet spanner. I just can't get that. Oh no! How do we do that? Broke.
Really?
Yeah.
Didn't little fella already change it?
Yeah, they're all brand new, but we've broken one. I got it. All good, man.
Oh,
Righto.
on both sides.
Yeah, I got both off. Okay, let's try again, eh?
Yep. Yeah, come on.
Righto, can you see?
Yeah.
How far off?
Yeah, you're in.
Is that in?
Yep.
Serious?
Not joking.
I didn't even feel it touch the sides. Ugh. Right. I'll hold it. Oh no, we're not all the way in. I need to twist it a bit. Come around this side, have a look. Can you see what I'm talking about?
Not really.
Alright. So not dirty. Okay. Well, close that side, aren't we?
Can't see it.
Open your bloody eyes.
They're open.
Okay. Should use the engine leveler thing, eh? Oh, close. I've got the dowel there. Dowel's in there.
Dow's on this side.
There we go.
There we go.
Right, pass me one of these bolts here. Just go spray a bit of WD-40 on it, just a little bit.
Whereabouts is it?
And where did it normally sit, mate? It's on the ground, hanging up.
Oh,
Wet, man.
all of them?
Yeah. Make it easier. That must be wrong hole, fool. Now, we shouldn't be showing them video like this, eh? Hey, do my glutes look good? Reckon the girls will like it? Do you even know what glutes are?
Yeah, you bum. And it said on your YouTube thing that it's 100% men.
Oh, 100% men watch this. Oh, man. Oh, I can't get it started. Gotta hold my tongue right.
How can you see what you're doing, Dad?
Oh, mate, this is why mechanics are good for husbands. You work it out when you're older, eh?
Okay.
I can put my hands in awkward positions to satisfy that bolt.
Okay. You can be quiet now.
I can be quiet.
Yes.
Why is that?
Because YouTube's boss finds out about this.
YouTube's boss, you reckon?
Yep. No more YouTube.
No more YouTube. Oh boy. Alright, that's a few bolts in. It's in place.
Yep.
You know what time it is?
Beer o'clock.
Hydration time, eh?
Squash o'clock.
Have a squash, you reckon? Right. Now, a couple of those bolts went down the bottom, didn't they?
Yes.
So what we'll do now we've got those in relatively finger firmness, which is probably to spec with my hands, you know what I mean?
Nope. No.
We can put that engine mount jacket back up until it hits the firewall. Put the engine. Hey! I didn't say that. We're planning.
You said jack it up until it hits the firewall.
Why can't you listen like this when I ask you to do your homework or housework, mate?
It's different.
No, we're not having a fight on camera, all right?
Then turn off the camera, right?
All right, we'll turn the camera off.
Okay.
Yep, up. Okay, tighten that up. Come on, tight.
Hang on, I'm trying to get...
Tighten it up.
Does it hold the car together?
Yeah, mate. Holds the car together. Needs to be tight. Do you want me to check it?
No, I'll be right.
You sure?
Yeah, just send it.
Just send it. I know. Other
tight.
side. Jump over the other side. Slide it back up that way. So just firm, not too tight. And I'll turn the engine over and you put the other two in, which I think are behind your head. There you go.
I don't really know the difference between tight and firm.
Firm's where it just grabs, and tight's where you want it to hold it together.
Oh yeah, it's like at firm.
Okay, so watch until you see that next hole come around on the flywheel. Ring gear. Okay, don't put your hand in there.
No, I'm not.
You see it spinning?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay.
Come down a bit more.
Yep.
Yeah, there.
Now I might have to wriggle it back and forth a little bit for you, just to see if you can get the bolt to start. I'll just go back a little bit and forth sort of thing. So we'll do them all up, like I was saying, just firm, just to pull it in. Then we'll go around them all again and make sure they're tight. Because they'll cause us grief if they are loose, mate. Everything's connected at the back there. So I've done that while the engine's forward. We'll lift it up now. Got the harness all through. We're going to have to fix a wire up on this side here. This wiring harness is brittle as, man. I wonder if you can buy new ones, or it's probably a good project to replace it.
Yeah.
Oh man, that'd be a good skill tester for you. We'll jack that up, engine mount it again. Then we can put that plate in, those brackets underneath. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just watch that side. We've got everything connected there. We can throw the power steering back on. Alright. Better watch my foot there. Do you remember where you put the nuts for the engine mount? Oh, we've got it on this big red tray over here, mate. Oh, boy. All right, we've got to go up a bit higher. So we might as well... Oh, there we go. That fell straight in. Straight in, no kissing, boy. All right. You get that side in?
No.
Let's have a look. That way. You got the nuts?
Yeah.
Ah, there's a fly trying to attack me. Alright, what we might do... Oh, jeepers. Come on, you silly thingamajig. Why does the fly come out now, man? Okay, we're close. We're in place. You can get that one started again. Get the nuts on there.
Engine needs to calm down.
No, it's got never sees on the phone. Righto, take your hands out for a second. I'll just let it down just a touch. There we go. Can you get that sort of wriggled into position?
Yep.
Yeah.
There.
There. You get a nut started. We need me to let it down a little bit more. Did you just drop your hole?
Let it down a bit.
Bro! Oh, man, we're trying to do a concentrated party and here you are dropping your hole. No wonder we need those new O-rings. That didn't even sound like that came straight out. Hey, what have you been doing? Got it? Hold your tongue right. The other side. Right, that's in. We have to let Grandpa know that that engine mount went straight in inside on this side. We just had to undo it off the block, eh?
Yep.
Okay. So, if anyone's still watching, what do you want to do this time?
Green heart?
So if they're still watching, put a green heart in, eh?
Yep.
In the comments.
And there might be another giveaway.
Another giveaway. What are we going to give away this time?
T-shirt.
I reckon we'll, from part, and this will be part, won't it? Dropping the donk in.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? T-shirt.
Yeah.
Is that coming out of your pocket money or what? A used T-shirt? Like one of these ones?
No, one of these ones.
One of our merch ones.
Hang on, I'll get it.
We've still got to work out how to do that, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of these ones.
Oh, those ones. What, with the dirty prints on the back?
No, it'll be a new one. This is my one.
That's yours. A new one.
Yeah.
Should we do it a raffle out of everyone that comments or just a raffle of everyone that does the green heart or?
No, we should do a raffle out of everyone who's commented on the Calais build.
The Calais build.
Like,
It's only an engine swap.
Calais engine swap.
Okay. Yeah, we've got heaps more work to do though.
Yeah.
So if they're still watching.
On the last episode.
Yeah, but if they're still watching right now, we've got to make clear what love heart do they need to put in.
So everyone who's done a love heart will go into the draw.
I made it too confusing now.
Okay, this episode is green.
Green. So if you're still watching right now, green love heart, because there might be a bonus prize.
Yes.
But we'll do, for everyone that's commented between 1 and 3 and maybe 4.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't have to go to 4. So
Hopefully.
if we go to 4, we go to 4.
Yeah. So everyone who's commented a heart.
Yeah, everyone that's commented a heart.
Yeah.
We'll do a raffle. Give them one of those shirts, eh? What do you reckon?
Reckon it should be signed?
Signed? Not that famous yet. Oh, we've got to do a shout out and a big thank you to everyone, eh? Because we've got over the 3,000 subscribers now.
Oh, yeah.
So, dirty thumbs up. Thanks to everyone that has subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, it doesn't matter. It is what it is. It's only if you feel like it, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's pretty cool. It's a bit of a milestone. I don't know what it does for us, but does it do anything for us?
I think it just gets us on more people's For You page.
Oh, okay. So like basically repping us more.
Yeah, when I open YouTube.
Yeah.
Go.
It comes up with down the show, Byron.
Yeah.
And the big fella. I have to change the name, won't I? When are you
Big
going to start your channel?
When I can actually.
When you can actually start it.
Yeah.
Can't you do one on that kids thing?
Nah, that's. Don't think any kid's gonna watch that.
Oh, down the shed with the big fella. Oh man, this sling's quite tight.
Ha! Mine's done.
Yours out. Go throw it on the other engine over there, and we'll put that on the engine stand, ready for you to strip. I think it's time for some Instagram photos. We need a thumbnail. Engine's in. Straight in, no kissing, eh? Do you reckon people understand what I'm saying? What about when we took Grandpa down to Fremantle? We asked that person to take the photo. Oh, your camera on timer!
Your timer.
Because we were trying to get that other thumbnail where we like set the camera up. Like, quick, Grandpa, get in the photo.
It took him 10 seconds.
And we're waiting for the camera to go to 10 seconds. So it's like, takes the photo and we're like...
Grandpa's
your photo, your camera on timer. All right, stop stuffing around. Let's we'll bolt the exhaust up now. We'll put that cover plating. Oh, we've got that bracket down there to do too, eh?
Yeah, that annoying one.
We'll bolt the power steering on. And I reckon dinner time we'll come back after that, eh?
Yeah.
It's got to be pub feed. Or is Mum cooking tonight?
Pretty sure. Yeah, Mum's cooking.
Yeah, righto. Cool. Let's get into it.
Okay.
Done?
Yep. You do that top one, 10 mil.
You got the 10 mil. Then we'll put the bonnet on, eh? We need a wiper blade for this side, eh?
Rebuild.
Where's the bolt for this bonnet? Is there two?
No, there's one over here.
Oh, man.
Oh, crikey.
Well, we've come back from dinner. I've just done a quick edit on the video and realised my audio is playing up. So I apologise for that. Not much we can do. I don't know what to do. I think it's either the receiver or the mic, something. Anyway, so we got chipping away at it. We've connected all the wiring harness back up. Alternator on.
Yep.
Starter motor's in. Before we went to dinner, hooked up the power steering rack, but we put that back in.
Exhaust.
The exhaust is hooked up. We replaced the transmission mount because it came as a kit. What else did we do? Got that steel plate in there after we realised we had to have it separated.
Coils.
Coil packs on. Because this is the VY Ecotech, the sump, we didn't need those brackets off the VX. Here we were thinking we had to bolt it on the side. What else is there? Well, that's where we're up to, eh?
Yeah, pretty much.
We put the power steering pump back on.
Aircon.
Air conditioning compressor on. I'm hoping that's going to be okay.
Starter motor.
That's the alternator.
Starter motor.
That's the power steering pump.
Wherever it is.
Try again. All right. So what we're going to do now, put the bonnet on, drop it back down, and then bring it into the workshop. And
starter motor.
We can put a battery on it probably. Let's see if it starts.
Is the starter motor in?
Yeah, I told you that before.
Okay. Okay, action.
Okay. Let me know. Okay, now, gently line it up on those mounts. You good?
Oh no!
Go, big fella.
Oh my god.
You got it?
Mine fell down.
I'll bring it down.
Wait, hang on. Go forward. Oh, What?
Here, let me get my side started. Okay.
Come down.
Hold on. I'll come over and give you a hand.
Got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm a big boy.
Remember how to put the struts back on? That's all right. Cool.
Oh, shrimp and potato.
Well, what are you doing?
It's too high.
What do you mean?
Look.
No, that's all right. It's locked in place.
Oh my golly gosh.
That'll do. Good.
Three
All right,
nuggets.
let's get the jack. Bring it in. Ah, air intake. You gonna put that on now? Okay. Make sure you get that. Yep, that's it. Righto, good boy. Come on, come get these stands out, mate. You had enough for tonight or not?
Gotta get it started.
Hey, remember, we haven't got oil in it yet. Make sure we don't do anything stupid. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's push it in for now. Mate, that'll be safe as cool. Ooh, a bit stiff. Want a hand?
No.
You got it? Yeah, boy. Don't go busting a calf muscle. I'll give you a hand.
No. No.
Keep checking it. Need more?
Yeah.
The other thing is we're going to have to throw the radiator in just for the transmission cooling lines too.
Add more.
A bit more? Normally it takes, what I remember with Grandpa's old Calais, which was mine, you just bang the whole 5 litres in. That should be about right. What have we got on the dipstick there? Full yet?
It's like a little bit off full.
Okay. That'll do. Head over the cat. There it is. Alright, hold on. Okay, just hold on. It's all connected. Just turn the key to on. Make sure no smoke comes out of here. You got it in park?
Yeah, it's in park.
Yeah, turn the key to on.
On.
On. Okay, we won't have fuel pump yet because I've got the relay still out. Just see if it turns over.
That's on actually.
That's on now. Okay. Key going. Okay. Turn it off. Okay, just turn it to on now. Can't hear the fuel pump. Turn it off. Okay, turn it back on again. Hear the fuel pump? Try and turn it over. Oh, mate. Come here. Have a look at this. No, you don't need to grab it up yet. You can tighten up the air intake clamp. Good work, mate. Hey, cheers. Cheers with a can, bud. Cheers with a drink. Well, so far so good. We'll see what it is called system, mate. That's alright, we'll do that in a minute. That's all we forgot. It's not too bad, mate. How quiet is it? Nice. Seen any smoking yet? Besides our handprints on the exhaust. Yeah, go get the camera and we'll show the people, eh? Ah, awesome. Just our greasy handprints. Yeah, you can't really see in the night time, eh? Come around this side. So I left the cable ties just on here. So that's the injector wiring we need to fix up. We'll sort that out after. We're just waiting on a new radiator to continue that. We need to pull the front bar off because, shine the torch in here, big fella. It's missing something. Oh no, you can't see that. Here it is on the floor. The crash bar. I don't know why it's missing, but we'll fit that. What would you like to say to the people?
30 thumbs up.
Yeah, 30 thumbs up. We've got a bit of smoke in the workshop, but it's probably because of our greasy hands over the exhaust. We'll go get some more parts and continue it when we can. We've only got an hour or so to get back into it. Picked up a radiator today. I forgot to get a new radiator cap and some coolant. I thought I might have had something sitting here. I've got new heater hoses to put on. But what I want to do is pull that front bar off and then we'll put the condenser in. I'll see if I've got some O-rings for the aircon. Bloody O-bar. So we'll get that in, get the new radiator in, transmission lines hooked up, fan in. I'll go pick up a pulley for that tomorrow. Oh mate, we're getting closer. So you want to start by just having a crack at pulling this bar off. I reckon it's held on by about 3 cable ties and about two or three screws.
These are already loose.
I'm just going to put a yellow mark on this top hose. Oh no, top hose there. So we know that's the top hose, even though I'm going to replace it.
You're correct with the cable ties.
Yeah.
But you're also wrong because it's 2.
Only 2?
Yep.
Oh, it must be drift spec day.
Oh, hey. Lights are hot.
Okay, so there might be a couple of bolts behind there. Wait.
What?
You smell petrol?
You bloody.
Can you smell petrol?
Hi.
Yeah, boy. Finally got you back.
What now?
Oh man. About time. Yeah. Hold on. Wow, seriously wasn't down on by much. These screws have got to go this side. This should flip off. Oh no. It's not here. Oh, there we go. I think we're off. Oh wait. Flick us over your screwdriver. One at the other one of you. Where'd you flick that to?
I didn't see what we're doing.
Oh wow. Certainly might have to do a shout out and see if anyone's got a spare Calais bar. What's going on here? There's the scare your pants off your person thing. There's no crash bar there. Oh, we can fit, once we pop that radiator out, we can undo that as well. Cool, man. You go that side. Have that top fitting off for now. Just lay those hoses back for a minute. Pipes, sorry. Alright, pull that radiator out. the ground. Because we need the rubber mounts off the bottom and we need that crossover pipe. Sweet! Look which way that goes on. You see? Are you doing this or are you... Oh, hold on, look what they've done. They've bolted the horns to there. So they're under these horns as well. Because they must mount to the back of this crash bar. You see how there's 3 bolt holes? So obviously it goes up like that, and that horn bolts onto that one there. So you can undo them as well. Ah, man. Alright, get screwing, bro.
What size do you reckon? 10?
13.
13, 10.
13 mil. 13, is that what I said?
I don't know.
What'd you just try and do? 10?
I don't know.
Okay.
I just grabbed it.
Righty-o.
You're correct.
Of course I'm
What's in
right.
your life?
I'm always right. Can't believe you doubted me.
Yeah, always doubted you.
So you might need a spanner on the other side.
I'm tired and you're not. Hey Dad, could you give me a hand?
Hold on, what do you have for me? Feet? Hold up, I'll just get this last clamp on. I've got all the mongrel ones. You got the horns off?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. 2 seconds and a bit. Rightio. Whew. Oh, feeling a bit sore from footy still. Is that lined up?
Yep.
Hold on. Did that go in?
Yeah, my side didn't.
It's missing that hole there. We might have to pull the headlight out, eh? Is that both
They're
those
not.
outside ones in?
They're not all the way in.
Yeah, so just, I'll hold it there. You have a look on the inside here.
Hang on, let me take the slider.
Is that basically out? No, it's held in by a cable tie still. Where'd put side cutters?
On that box there, behind you.
Oh, look at that. A piece of wood holding it up. Hold on. I think we've got more dramas. Ah, you serious? Come have a look at this. Hopefully you can see it. Ah, man. See how it's crumbled there? So they've had an accident in the front end. Hopefully we can get that sorted. Nice and flat. Crumbled. Well, how far do we go now? We're going to wrap it up there for now because technically we need to get that front end pulled out. Yeah, what do we do? Any crash repairs in Perth willing to give us a hand? Please. Oh, I just threw me rattle out the cot. He's laughing. Hey, you'll get there one day. You'll understand where I'm coming from. Well, we'll pursue along anyway. I'll go get the new idler pulley and I don't know what else we're going to do. What are we going to do? We've got to do a transmission service, driveline service. You've got to pull the engine down.
Strip it.
So we'll, yep, we will continue. Thanks again. We'll see you when we're looking at you.